Welcome to Juske FX, where we are dedicated to providing you with everything you need to know to succeed in Forex trading. In this video, we will discuss the three main types of Forex trading analysis. It's technical, fundamental, and sentimental. First, let's start with technical analysis. This type of analysis involves studying price charts and using various technical indicators to identify patterns and trends in the market. Financial analysts believe that historical price data can provide insights into future price movements, and they use this information to make trading decisions. Technical analysis can be used to identify entry and exit points for the trades, as well as to set stop loss and take profit levels. It can also help identify support and resistance levels, which can be crucial for traders to monitor. In my opinion, the stop loss is one of the most important factors while trading Forex. It helps manage your trading balance, close unsuccessful trades, and reduce risk to limit potential losses. As for support and resistance levels, we will discuss them in details in the future playlist once we cover all the basic information on Forex trading. One of the advantages of technical analysis is that it can be used on any time frame from short-term intraday trading to long-term positioning trading. However, it's important to know that technical analysis is not foolproof and can be subject to interpretation. Next, we have fundamental analysis. This type of analysis involves examining economic and financial factors that can affect the currency values, such as interest rates, inflation, political events, and global economic trends. Fundamental analysis believes that these factors can provide a more accurate picture of the currency's value than just looking at the price charts. Some of the factors that fundamental analysis consider including interest rates, GDP data, inflation, employment figures, political events, and central bank policies. By analyzing these factors, fundamental analysis can get a better understanding of the currency's true value and make predictions about the future price movements. Fundamental analysis can be particularly useful for long-term trades, as economic and geopolitical events can have a significant impact on the currency's value over time. However, it's important to know that fundamental analysis can be more subjective than technical analysis, as it involves interpreting and analyzing news and data. Traders who use fundamental analysis often keep up to date with the latest economic news and data releases, and may use specialized software to monitor these factors in real time. By combining fundamental analysis with technical analysis, traders can get a more comprehensive view of the market and make more informed trading decisions. Wow! You are still watching. I truly appreciate your support. If you find this information helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button below for the future education videos. And finally, sentimental analysis is the third type of Forex market analysis. It involves ascertaining the overall mood or sentiment of traders in the market towards a particular currency or the market as a whole. Sentimental analysis is a subjective and often based on intuition, as it relies on understanding the psychological factors that affects the market behavior. Traders who use sentimental analysis may look at news events, social media sentiment, and other factors that could influence the overall mood of the market. For example, if there is a positive news about a particular currency, traders may become more bullish and start buying that currency, which could lead to a rise in its value. And now we reach the conclusion, so stay tuned for it. Technical analysis is a powerful tool used by traders to analyze historical price action and identify potential trends in the market. By understanding the key indicators and patterns, traders can make informed decisions about when to enter or exit the position. Fundamental analysis is a crucial aspect of the Forex trading that involves analyzing economical and financial data to identify the underlying factors that drive market movements. By staying informed about the latest news and events, traders can make more informed decisions about their trades. Sentimental analysis is a unique approach to Forex trading that takes into account the emotions and attitude of other traders in the market. By analyzing sentiment, indicators, and market psychology, Traders can gain valuable insights into how the market is likely to behave in the short or long term. Each type of analysis has its strengths and weaknesses, and many traders use a combination of these methods to make informed trading decisions. By understanding the different types of analysis, you can develop more comprehensive approach to forex trading and increase your chances of success. At Juske FX, we provide market analysis, trading signals to help stay informed and make better trading decisions. Check out our vlog below for more information. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel for more forex trading insights and tips. And I will see you in the coming videos.